Why is communication so important for our clients as Steve's Automotive Specialist? This is one of the most important responsibilities of a service advisor here at Steve's Automotive Specialist. I'm going to tell you a quick little story that will explain why this is so important. I had a car that was, the front differential went out on it. I didn't know that that's what had gone out on, but it wouldn't work. I was coming off the freeway and it just seized up. I thought the brakes locked up on it. I had to have it towed. I towed it to the dealership because I thought, oh, the dealership knows everything. And when I towed it in, they did an inspection on it. They quoted me $20,000 of repairs that would not fix the thing I brought it in for. So the whole thing was a joke. The most important thing is what is most important to you, not all the other things that are wrong with your car. So if you're gonna come into Steve's Automotive Specialist and you're gonna say, I need an oil change, or I need an alignment, or hey, my check engine light's on, that is most important to us as well. Your one thing is what we want to solve first. Remember, for all your auto care needs, bring to Steve's Automotive Specialist where we make auto care easy.